How to make Pan De Sal. In a bowl, mix 3 cups flour, 1½ cups bread flour, 2½ teaspoons dry active yeast, ½ cup sugar, and 1½ teaspoon salt. Mix all these dry ingredients together. For the liquid mixture, in a bowl, mix 1 cup warm milk, 4 tablespoons butter, 2 whole lightly beaten eggs. Mix well. Now combine the dry ingredients and liquid mixture together until you form a dough. Knead the dough until it is smooth and less sticky. The dough is ready if it springs back after poking and if it stretches when pulled. Now place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and cover it for about 2 hours or until it doubles in size. When ready, punch down the dough, flatten, cut into half and fold into batons. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Slice the dough into pieces and roll on breadcrumbs. Put into oven and bake up to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy your Pan De Sal!